up, we have three proteins: the complement protein, the antibodies, and the interferons. What are complement proteins? They are made by white blood cells, and they're also made by organs. And what they do is they actually attach the microbes to the blood wall. And it helps the phagocytes actually eat the pathogens. It attracts phagocytes to infected area and it weakens the pathogen cell membrane. So to explain this, so what they do is they go to those microbes, the pathogens, and it causes them, and they it's blood vessel wall, I think. Anyways, they cause them to attach to the blood vessel wall, and so it's now like, just imagine it's stuck on the wall, and it, while doing this, it makes the phagocytes realize, oh, there, those are they're the pathogens. And what it does is like signals to them. It attracts the phagocytes to come to that part, and it causes, and it, so it like kind of like whistleblower. It attracts it to the cell vessel, the to the skin, not skin, to the blood wall, the blood vessel wall, and by doing that, it helps the phagocytes realize that, oh, here's a pathogen, and the phagocytes will go and eat it up later. Now, antibodies. Antibodies are, as I said before, they are created by B cells, and so they help group the pathogens together. They help, like, so they cause the pathogens to bind together, and so by binding the antibodies together with the proteins, it causes the pathogen to be deactivated, and so it causes it to deteriorate. It causes it to weaken, and it also activates the complement protein, and so they work together, so in to just to kind of kill the pathogen. Now, interferons are also proteins, and they are produced by body cells that are infected by virus. And they like, there's like an inflammation response, and during the inflammation response, what the interferons do is they create an enzyme, and it stops the inflammation. It's like, it's like a signal, and it tells them, okay, we are going to stop any more viruses come from coming in. No more viruses are allowed to come into the body. So yes, these are what like the specialized types of white blood cells and proteins do in order to weaken or kill the pathogens that are bad for the body.